Greetings, Independents. The Gutter Guys are your go-to for exceptional gutter guard installation services. In Independence, protecting your home from water damage is crucial, especially with our unpredictable weather. Our gutter guards are designed to ensure your gutters stay free of blockages and perform optimally year-round. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.lc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. Thank you, Independents, for choosing the Gutter Guys. We're proud to serve your community and are committed to providing the best in gutter protection.